Welcome again students in my YouTube channel. This video is based on organizing your work. Okay. How we can organize our work in computer. Now students, we are going to learn about desktop, file, folder and Windows Explorer. These are the topics of this chapter. Now we are going to learn about it in detail. Now first we are going to learn about desktop. First you can see the picture on the screen of desktop. And what is desktop? The first screen that appears when we start switch on our computer, containing number of small graphical pictures representing items such as file is called a desktop. This is the definition of desktop. जब भी हम अपना कंप्यूटर ऑन करते हैं और जो हमारा फर्स्ट स्क्रीन अपीयर होता है उस स्क्रीन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? डेस्कटॉप. ओके, यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ डेस्कटॉप and you are easily identify what is desktop. Now students, it's time to know about different components on desktop. First component is icons. Okay, small graphical symbols that is also called pictures are called icons. You can see in the picture there are different types of icons like Chrome, File Manager, Word. Okay, these small graphical pictures are called icons and these are present on the desktop. Now students, we are going to learn about different components on taskbar. Okay, this is the picture of taskbar. First one is start button, second one is search button, third one is quick launch bar and fourth one is notification area. This is the picture of taskbar and it is situated on the desktop. Okay, the taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. This is one of the component of your desktop. You can see the start button. This is situated at the left side of your desktop. Now you can see the picture of search button. You can search any type of file, folder, program by the help of this button. Then quick launch toolbar and fourth one is notification area are situated on the taskbar. taskbar आपके डेस्कटॉप पे बॉटम में सिचुएटेड रहता है और वो 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड रहता है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पार्ट स्टार्ट बटन, सेकेंड सर्च बटन एंड थर्ड वन क्विक लॉन्च बार एंड फोर्थ वन नोटिफिकेशन एरिया. दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बार ऑन योर डेस्कटॉप. Now students, focus on file and folder. What is file? When we save any work on your hard drive, it become a file. As you know, when you want to create any type of file, then it must have one name and its extension. Okay, you can see the picture of file. And what is folder? A folder is a storage space where many file and folder can be placed. You can see the picture of folder. Okay, फाइल क्या होता है? जब भी हम अपने वर्क को परमानेंट स्टोरेज में स्टोर कर देते हैं विथ एनी नेम, देन इट इज कॉल्ड फाइल. एंड व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ फोल्डर? इट इज द स्टोरेज स्पेस, ओके, वेयर you can save your file and folder as per your requirement. Now students, you must know how you can organize your different types of file and folder. This is the work of Windows or File Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? Windows or File Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drive. आपके कंप्यूटर में जितने भी फाइल, फोल्डर और ड्राइव हैं, अगर उनके बारे में आपको जानकारी लेनी है तो आप कहाँ जाएंगे? विंडोज एक्सप्लोरर में, ठीक है। दिस कैन बी सर्च फ्रॉम सर्च बटन. When you type File Explorer, then you can open it and you can see all the file, folder and different drives in Windows Explorer. Okay, you can easily open it, create, delete, copy, move, search. Okay, so this is the work of Windows or File Explorer. Now students, we are going to know about what is the use of File Explorer. It allows us to manage and organize our files and folder. Okay. As you know, this chapter is based on organize our work. Okay. So how you can organize your file and folder? By the help of Windows Explorer. And we can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. We can give different types of operations on file and folder. As you can see in the picture, you can do copy, paste, cut with, paste, shortcut, delete. Okay, these are the different operations that we can do on our file and folder. So this is the use of file and folder. We can organize our different types of files and programs in one application. Okay students, now you are going to learn about how you can search the file. Okay, file searching with its name or extension. How you can search any type of file, folder or application that are stored on your computer system. In this area, we can search by the search box. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Second, we can remember file type, that is .txt or .docx. Now students, what is .txt or .docx? These are the different file extension. That is depends on the file type that we can store in our computer system. You can also search by the help of these extension. Like if you search .txt, then files are shown with the extension .txt. Okay, and we can remember file name or part of a file name. If you remember only file name, then you must type the file name or part of file name, then file name is displayed on your screen. As for example, you can see in picture, that is here search box screenshot is typed. So all screenshot file is displayed on your screen. You can open any one of them as per your requirement. Like that, you can search any type of file, folder or program by the help of search box. Okay, I think you are able to understand how we can save our file, folder and how you can explore your different types of file, folder and application in your computer system. Thank you for watching students, and if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you.